everyone, welcome to Lakshya. As per the request of many students, just I am going to explain key paper along with explanation for CMA Foundation with respect to the paper Mathematics and Statistics. Okay, right? Actually, this is the question paper conducted by the CMA, right? Just I am going to discuss the explanation along with the key answers. Okay, just to see this. The first question is actually two numbers are in the ratio 2:3. Okay, if 4 is subtracted from each, then they are in the ratio 3:5. Then the numbers are. Actually, this is done in two ways. Just by verifying options, it is easy to get the answer. Otherwise, the solution. Okay, two numbers are in the ratio 2:3 means the numbers are, first question, 2:3, that is 2x and 3x. Okay, 4 is subtracted from each number, that is 2x minus 4 by 3x minus 4. While subtracting 4, then the new numbers ratio is given by 3/5 cross multiplication. That is 10x minus 20 is equals to 9x minus 12. Therefore, x is equals to 8. The numbers are 2x, that is 2 into 8, which is equals to 16. 3x, 3 into 8, which is equals to 24. Therefore, the numbers are 16, 24. Hence, right answer for this question is A. Okay. See the next one. Second question. How much pure milk must be added to 300 ml of the solution containing 15% of milk to change the concentration of the milk of the mixer be 50%? Okay. See, actually the solution is 300 ml. In that 15% of milk is there. Okay, right? See the question, second one. 15% of milk. See, milk part is 300 of 15%, that is nothing but 45 liters of milk, and let us assume that the remaining is water. Okay, the water content is 300 minus 45, which is equals to 255 liters of water. Hence, milk is to water ratio is 15 is to 85, that is nothing but 3 is to 17. Okay. Now the question is how much milk to be added. Initially, the milk is 45 liters. Let us assume that x liters of milk is added. Let x liters of milk is added. Okay. Initially 45 plus x, but we cannot change. The water content is as usual 255. Okay. So that the milk and water ratio is 50%. And 50% milk and 50% water. This is nothing but 1:1. 50%, 50%. Both of them are equal. That is 45 plus x is equal to 255. Hence x is equal to 255 minus 45, which is equals to 210 liters. Hence the answer is D for second one. See the third question. If x varies inversely with y, x varies inversely with y, which of the following is correct? X varies inversely with y means actually x is proportional to 1 by y. Okay, otherwise we write it as x is equal to k by y. See, each and every option they given in terms of x1, y1, x2, y2 like that. According to the options, x stands for x1, y stands for y1, means x1 is equals to some k by y1, means y1 should be denominator. Okay, y1 should be denominator, x1 should be there in the numerator. As per the options, x1 should be in the numerator and y1 should be in the denominator, that is only D. Okay, yeah. Now we discuss the fourth question. A given a sum of money gives to 50 rupees as a simple interest for 1 year and 102 as a compound interest for 2 years. Determine the rate of interest. Okay, see the fourth question. A gives the sum of money, simple interest. Simple interest amount is how much is given? 50 rupees for 1 year. Okay, for 2 years. For 2 years. Simple interest formula I is equals to PIT. Therefore 50 is equals to, for 1 year, for 2 years suppose to you calculate it, P into I into 2. Therefore from this Pi is equals to, sorry, I into only 1 year. For 2 years 100 is equals to 2 Pi. Keep in mind. Next 1 or 2 as a compound interest. What is the compound interest formula? That is P into 1 plus I whole power 2 minus 1 for 2 years. Therefore 1 or 2 is equals to P into 1 plus I square plus 2I minus 1, because that is in the form of A plus B whole square, right? 1 gets cancelled. Therefore 1 or 2 equal to multiply with P. P into I square, write it as I into I plus 2pi. Therefore 1 or 2 is equals to, Pi value is 50i, 2pi value is 100. Therefore 50i is equals to 2, hence I is equal to 2 by 50. Hence I is equals to 4%. Now see the 4% is option C. Next, fifth question. Find the present value of the annuity of 1000 rupees annually for 4 years with discount ratio is 5%. Okay, it's very simple question. See the fifth question. What the information is given? Cash flow amount is 1000. Rate of interest is, discount ratio is 5%. For number of years are 4 years. Now we want to find out the present value. As per this information, the formula is cash flow by r% into 1 minus of 1 plus r% whole to the power of minus n. See, this is 1000 by 5% into 1 minus of 1 plus 5% whole to the power of minus 4. Then the total net present value, while simplifying this, okay, then we'll get 3545.9, approximately give the preference for 3546. Hence right answer is option A. The fifth question is option A. Next, see the sixth question. What the information is given is root 3 whole power x is equal to 81. What is the value of A for the following expression? Problem number 6. See, root 3 whole power x is equals to 81. This is, can we write like 3 power x by 2 is equal to 3 power 4. Bases are equal, equating the powers. X by 2 equal to 4, x is equal to 8. Now I want to find out the expression ax square minus 10x plus 16 is equal to 0. Substituting such x value in that expression, 8 square, that is 64a minus 80 plus 16 is equal to 0. 64a is equal to 64, hence a is equal to 1. Hence right answer is B. Next, see the problem number 7. Ajay walked 4 km per hour and 4 hours. After his start, Badal cycles after he's at 10 km per hour. How far from the start Badal catch up to the Ajay? Okay, actually initially Ajay starts, okay, Ajay starts at a speed of 4 km per hour, okay, and after 4 hours another person he start, right? Okay, అంటే ఇనీషియల్గా అజయ్ 4 km per hourలో వెళ్తున్నాడు, అట్లా 4 hours ట్రావెల్ చేశాడు. అంటే ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ ట్రావెల్ చేశాడంటే 16 kilometers వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. యాక్చువల్గా వెళ్ళిపోయిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ పర్సన్ బాదల్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాడు. బాదల్, ఓకే, అంటే బాదల్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేటప్పటికి అజయ్ ఎక్కడున్నాడు? 16 kilometers ఫార్ ఉన్నాడు. అంటే వీళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్య ఇప్పుడు డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఉందంటే 16 kilometers ఉంది. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఈ బాదల్ వీడు 10 km per hour స్పీడ్తో వెళ్తున్నాడు అనమాట, వాడు 4 km per hour స్పీడ్తో వెళ్తున్నాడు. అంటే డెఫినెట్గా వీడు ఆయన క్యాచ్ చేస్తాడు. ఎక్కడ ఏ మైల్ రాయి దగ్గర క్యాచ్ చేస్తాడని అడుగుతున్నాడు అనమాట. ఓకే, అంటే ఎన్నో కిలోమీటర్ దగ్గర వాడు ఈయన క్యాచ్ చేస్తాడు అంటున్నాడు. అర్థమైంది కదండి క్వశ్చన్, రైట్? ఒకసారి చూడండి. నౌ సీ ద ప్రాబ్లం నెంబర్ 7. ఓకే, అజయ్ స్పీడ్ ఎలా ఉందండి? 4 km per hour స్పీడ్లో ఉంది. ఓకే, టైం ఎంత ట్రావెల్ చేసింది? 4 hours. అంటే ఇప్పుడు డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత వెళ్ళాడు అనమాట వీడు ఇక్కడ అంటే 4 into 4 16 kilometers ట్రావెల్ చేశాడు. అప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాడు వన్ మోర్ పర్సన్. ఎవరాడు? బాదల్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాడు కదా. ఇప్పుడు బాదల్ ఇనీషియల్గా ఉన్నాడు, స్టార్ట్ అయ్యింది. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు అజయ్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి 16 kilometers వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. ఇప్పుడు బాదల్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యాడు, వాడు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాడు అనమాట. అంటే వీళ్ళిద్దరి మధ్య డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఉందంటే 16 kilometers. డిస్టెన్స్ ఎంత ఉందంటే 16 kilometers. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు, ఓకే, డిఫరెన్స్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ 16 kilometers. ఓకే, రైట్. కానీ వీడు ఎంత స్పీడ్తో వెళ్తున్నాడు, 10 కిలోమీటర్ స్పీడ్, సెకండ్ పర్సన్. ఫస్ట్ వాడు ఎంత వెళ్తున్నాడు, 4 కిలోమీటర్ స్పీడ్తో వెళ్తున్నాడు కదా. ఓకే, డెఫినెట్గా వీడాన్ని ఈక్వల్ అవుతారు, రైటా. అయితే వీళ్ళిద్దరు ఒకే డైరెక్షన్లో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తున్నారు. ఒకే డైరెక్షన్లో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి మనం. రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్, ఇప్పుడు ఇద్దరు ఒకే డైరెక్షన్ వెళ్తున్నారు అనుకోండి, ఓకే, డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ద స్పీడ్స్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్. అది ఆపోజిట్ డైరెక్షన్స్ వస్తున్నాయి అనుకోండి, ఇద్దరిని యాడ్ చేయాలి. ఓకే, ఇద్దరు స్పీడ్ని యాడ్ చేయాలి, రైట్. ఎందుకు ఆపోజిట్ వచ్చేస్తున్నారు ఇద్దరు. అది కానీ ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు, ఇద్దరు సేమ్ డైరెక్షన్లో ట్రావెల్ చేస్తున్నారు. అంటే వీ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్. రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు, రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్ ఏంటి ఇప్పుడు, 10 km/h మైనస్ 4 km/h. ఎంత వచ్చిందంటే ఇప్పుడు అంటే 6 km/h. రిలేటివ్ స్పీడ్ తెలిసింది, డిస్టెన్స్ తెలుసు. మనం టైం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా. ఇప్పుడు టైం ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు, యాక్చువల్గా స్పీడ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు ఫార్ములా ఏంటి, డిస్టెన్స్ బై టైం. టైం ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు డిస్టెన్స్ బై స్పీడ్. అంటే 16/6 అంటే ఎంత వచ్చిందండి అంటే, ఓకే, సెకండ్ టేబుల్ 8 times అండ్ 3 times 8/3 hours వచ్చింది. ఓకే, రైట్. ఇప్పుడు బాదల్ ఎంత స్పీడ్తో ఉన్నాడు, 10 km/h ఉన్నాడు. ఓకే, రైట్. ఇప్పుడు 1 అవర్కి ఎంత స్పీడ్ వెళ్తున్నాడు వాడు, సెకండ్ పర్సన్ 10 kilometers. 8/3 hours ఎంత స్పీడ్తో వెళ్తున్నాడు అంటే x. దేర్ ఫోర్ 10 × 8/3. దేర్ ఫోర్ x ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 10 × 8/3 అంటే 80/3. క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయండి, ఎంత వచ్చింది, 26.666, అప్రాక్సిమేట్లీ ఈక్వల్ టు 26.67 kilometers. ఈ కిలోమీటర్ దగ్గర వీళ్ళిద్దరు మీట్ అవుతారు. ఓకే, రైట్. దేర్ ఫోర్ రైట్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఢిల్లీ, డి. Next, 8th question. See, 7th term of AP. 7th term of AP, see the question is minus 20, minus 16, minus 12. Here A is equals to minus 20 and D is equals to minus 16 minus or minus plus 20, which is equal to 4. T7 formula is A plus 6D. That is A plus, A means how much, first term, that is minus 20 plus 6 into D value is 4, which is equals to minus 20 plus 24, which is equals to 4. Therefore, right answer is C. Okay. Next, problem number 9. The first term and common ratio of the GP is given by 4 and 1/2. Then the fifth term is, see, A is equal to 4 and common ratio R is equals to 1/2. T fifth formula, A R power 4, that is 4 into 1/2 power 4. That is 4 by 2 to the power of 4. Hence, which is equals to 1/4. Okay, therefore right answer is B, problem number 9. Next, problem number 10. A and B are the two sets. N of A is equals to 70 and N of B is equals to 60. N of A union B is equals to 110. What is N of A intersection B? You know the formula. N of A intersection B is equals to, N of A means 70 plus N of B 60 minus 110. Okay, right. Now simplifying this, then we will get to 20. Therefore, right answer is D. Next, see the problem number 11. A and B are any two sets. Then A intersection B union A intersection B complement. See, listen carefully. A intersection B union with A intersection B complement means A minus B. Now see the Venn diagram for these two parts. Now first of all, I am going to shade A intersection B. This is the A intersection B part. A minus B means only A. Only A part is this one. While combining this one, this is nothing but only A. Hence right answer is option A. Answer is A. Next, see the problem number 12. See, two logarithms are connecting by a plus symbol. Okay, then we write it as a product. That means logarithm of BC to the base A equal to 0. Hence BC is equal to A power 0. Hence BC is equal to 1. Therefore B is equals to 1 by C. Hence right answer is Bombay. Okay. Next, NPR is equals to 720 into NCR. Then the value of R is, we know that NPR by NCR is equal to 720. Therefore, R factorial is equals to, okay, this is write it as 6 factorial. Hence, R is equal to 6. Right answer is Bombay. Next, problem number 14. In how many ways 6 books can be equally distributed among 3 boys? Distribution means a permutation, it's not a combination. Okay, 6 books can be divided how many members equally into 3 members, that is and every person they got 2 books, that is 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 2 factorial, okay, which is equals to 720 by 8, right? 720 divided by 8, which is equals to 90. Next, 15th question. Alpha, beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0, and alpha greater than beta means alpha is the largest root and beta is the smallest root. Then the equation with roots are alpha beta plus beta and alpha beta minus beta. Okay, listen carefully. Okay, see, alpha beta are the roots of the equation. The equation is question number 15. It is x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. First of all, factorize this. X square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. X is common, x minus 3 minus 2 is common, x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 3 comma 2. Alpha is 2 and beta is alpha is 3 because they clearly mention that largest root is alpha and smallest root is beta. Now we want to find out a quadratic equation whose roots are alpha beta plus beta. Alpha beta ante 6 plus 3 plus 2 which is equals to 11. Alpha beta minus beta, that is 6 minus 3 minus 2 which is equals to 1. Two roots are known, 11 and 1. Now we want to find out such quadratic equation. Therefore, x square minus sum of the roots 12x plus 11 is equal to 0. Therefore, 15th question is A. Same 16th question. Alpha beta are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Then what is the value for alpha cube plus beta cube? Yeah, from this expression alpha plus beta is equal to sum of the roots value is 2 and alpha beta value is equals to minus 3. Now we want to find out alpha cube plus beta cube. This is write it as alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Now substitute those values. Alpha plus beta whole cube value is 8 minus 3 into minus 3 into 2. That is 8 minus into minus plus 3 3 is 9 2 is 18. Okay, right, which is equals to 26. Hence D. Next, 17th question. Y is equals to 1 by 3 minus 2x is given. Find dy by dx. See, y dash dy by dx means that expression is looks like 1 by x. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. That is minus 1 by 3 minus 2x whole square. But it is not exactly equal to x. That means separate differentiation is required for inner function. 3 derivative is 0. Minus 2x derivative is minus 2. Therefore, y dash is equal to minus into minus plus 2 by 3 minus 2x whole square. Therefore, right answer is D. C. 2 by 3 minus 2x whole square. Next, 18. The cost of the producing x units of the product is 300x minus 10x square plus x cube by 3. Find the marginal cost. Marginal cost means derivative of the total cost. See, marginal cost MC is equals to derivative of that is 300 minus 20x plus 3x square. Okay, that is 3 gets cancelled. See, marginal cost at x is equals to 12 units. That is 300 minus 20 into 12 minus 12 square. Okay, while simplifying this expression, then we will get to 204. Hence, right answer is A. See the problem number 19. The condition is required for the maximization of a function. Maximization of function is we find out f dash of x is equal to 0. For maximum means f double dash of x less than 0. That is there in option B. 19th answer is B, Bombay. See the problem number 20. A by b whole power x minus 1 equal to b by a whole power x minus 3. Then what is the value for x? See, a by b whole power x minus 1. This write it as a by b whole power minus 1 whole power minus x by 3. That is minus x plus 3. Both sides bases are equal. Therefore, x minus 1 equal to minus x plus 3. Take x terms into one side. 2x is equal to 4. Hence, x is equal to 2. Hence, right answer is Delhi. Okay. Next, we are enter into the statistics part. Okay, see in pie diagram, 1% is equals to, then how to calculate 1%? 1 by 100 into 360, which is equal to 3.6. Right answer is C. Data collected on the release from the census report is called secondary data. సెకండరీ డేటా అంటే ఏంటి? మనం ఎక్కడి నుంచి వేరే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర నుంచి తీసుకురావడం. ఎక్కడి నుంచి తీసుకొచ్చాం? సెన్సస్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ నుంచి తీసుకొచ్చాం. వాళ్ళు ఎవరో కలెక్ట్ చేస్తే మనం యూజ్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. కాబట్టి దీన్ని ఏమంటాం మనం? సెకండరీ డేటా. 23. A variable which can takes any value in the specified interval. Specified interval of time is given. Then a comma b. Then we say that it is called continuous variable. Next, see the problem number 24. A frequency density of the class. Frequency density of the class and total frequency of a group to frequency distribution with equal class width are 17 and 204. See, FD value is given. How much is given? 17. Okay. And see, actually frequency density formula. Frequency density is equals to frequency of class by class width. Now we want to find out width of the class. Width of the class means class width is equals to, okay, 204 by 17, which is equals to 12. 24, right answer is Delhi. Delhi, right. Next, 25th. The mean of 7, n plus 3, 10, n minus 3 and n minus 5 is 15. Okay, what is the value of n? Now see this question number 25th. See total observation 7 plus n plus 3 plus 10 plus n minus 3 plus n minus 5 by how many observations? 5 observations, which is equal to 15. Now we want to find out such n value. See, n plus n plus n, 3n. And adding the constant 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 3 actually cancel. This 3 cancel kada. 10 minus 5 ante 5. Okay, 7 plus 5, 12. Okay, by 5 is equals to 15. Okay. See, 3n plus 12 is equals to 75. 3n is equals to 75 minus 12. 63. Okay. 63 divided by 3. N is equal to 21. Okay, that is there in D answer. 25th question, D. Next, the median. The median of the numbers. See, before find out the median, first arrange the data into ascending order. What is the ascending order? That is 12 is the first number, 21st, 37, 46, 49, next 55, next 63, 74, 88. Total how many observations are there? 3, 9. Middle observation. See, the middle observation is 49, hence median is 49. Next, quartile deviation. For finding quartile deviation, first arrange the data into ascending order. Okay, which one is the least number is 5. Okay, next 12. 12 after 15, 15 next 18, 18 next 22. Okay, next 22, next 30, next 34. Okay, therefore Q1 is equals to total how many observations? 7. N is equals to 7. Q1 formula 7 plus 1 by 4th value means second value. What is second value? 12. Q3, 3 into this value ante 3 to the sixth value. What is such sixth value? 30. Therefore, quartile deviation is equals to 30 minus 12 by 2. Okay, which is equals to 9. Therefore, right answer is B. Next, 28. N is equals to 10. Sigma x is equal to 120. Sigma x is equals to 1690. What is standard deviation? You know the standard deviation form. Under root of sigma x square by n minus x bar whole square. That is under root of sigma x square value 1690 by n is 10 minus sigma x 120 by 10 whole square. Now simplifying this, then we will get 5. C, right answer. Next, 29. If the mean of the first sample and second sample 20 and 50 respectively, the combined mean is 30, then what is the percentage of the observation? See, combined mean is 30. Okay, first sample mean is 20, second sample mean is 50. See, the difference of these two is 10, difference of these two is 20. See, let us see that this is the first sample and this is the second sample. Ratio between them is, okay, 20 is to 10, which is equal to 2 is to 1. Now the question is, how much percentage of the first sample? Percentage means 100 into first sample is 2 by 3. Okay, that is, we will get 66.67 A. For a frequency distribution, CV is 4% and standard deviation is 6. Okay, CV value is how much? 4% and standard deviation is 6. First, by using this information, we want to find out arithmetic mean. What is CV formula? Standard deviation by arithmetic mean. That is 4 is equals to 6 by x bar. Okay, into 100. Therefore, x bar is equals to 150. But they doesn't ask x bar. Okay, and the coefficient of skewness is 1.5. Skewness means mean minus mode by standard deviation. Then, that what is the mode of the distribution? Okay, see, skewness mean minus mode by standard deviation. This value is given by 1.5. Already you know mean value as well as standard deviation value. Then by using that we find out the mode. While substituting these values, mean is 150 minus mode by standard deviation 6 is equals to 1.5. Okay, from this, while simplifying this, then mode is equals to 141. Therefore, right answer is Delhi. Next, 31. 2y minus 6x is equal to 6. Mode of x is 21. Then what is the mode of y? Any line in statistics is given. First, we have to convert the line in the form of y is equals to a plus bx. That is 2y is equals to 6x plus 6. Therefore, y is equal to 3x plus 3. Hence, mode of y is equals to 3 into mode of x. Mode of x is 21 plus 3. Okay, while simplifying this, then we will get to 66. Bombay is right answer. 32. Covariance of x comma y is 12. Byx is 4 by 3. What is variance of x? See, 4 by 3 is equals to Byx formula. Covariance of x comma y by variance of x. That is 4 by 3 equal to 12 by variance of x. 4 3 times cancel. Hence, variance of x is equals to 9. Hence, right answer is A. Next, the value of the rank correlation lies between. Rank correlation always lies between. Any correlation value is lies between -1 and +1. Not only rank correlation, Karl Pearson scatter diagram method and concurrent deviation always lies between -1 and +1. Next problem is 34. Find the correlation coefficient. Okay, for the following data. See, observe this data x and y. Shall I write like y is equal to x square? Say yes or no. See, x is equal to -3 means y is equal to 9, -1 means 1, 1 means 1, like that. Okay, and that means is it a non-linear equation? Non-linear equation. Non-linear equation r of x comma y is equal to 0, A. Next, sigma d square equal to 33 and n is equal to 10. Find the rank correlation. See, the rank correlation rho is equals to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square by n into n square minus 1, 990. Okay, now while simplifying this expression, which is equals to 0.8d. Which of the following statement is true? The values of the both bivariate regression coefficients can be more than 1. Both bivariate coefficients, regression coefficients more than 1. Okay, it affects the correlation value. That's why this is the wrong statement. The values of the bivariate regression coefficients are negative, then the correlation coefficient is positive. See, both the regression coefficients are negative, then the correlation coefficient is also negative. Or byx, bxy have same signs. Third option. The values of the bivariate regression coefficients are positive, then the correlation coefficient is positive. Hence, right answer is C. The two regression lines of the two variables x and y are intersecting 4, 5. And clearly they given x bar is equals to 4 and y bar is equals to 5. Why? Because both the regression coefficients are meeting at their means. And byx value is given by 2.5. What is the value of y when x is equal to 6? Here we want to find out y depends on x. We required the equation y on x. So y on x formula, y minus y bar is equals to byx into x minus x bar. That is y minus y bar. Y bar value is 5 is equals to byx 2.5 into x value 6 minus x bar value 4. While simplifying this, then this value is 37. 10. Right answer is C. Okay. Next, 38 question. If the variables x and y are independent, then the correlation coefficient between them is 0. Independent means covariance is 0. Covariance 0 means numerator figure is 0. 0 by something is 0. A, B, C are equally likely, mutually exclusive and exhaustive. Then what is the probability of A means 1 by 3. The probability that a candidate pass in the accountancy and economics are 0.5 and 0.6 respectively. Okay, what is the probability that a candidate pass only one of the subject? See, probability of A means accountancy is 0.5. Probability of B means economics, which is equal to 0.6. Only one of the subject means he pass accountancy and does not pass economics. Otherwise, he pass economics and does not pass accountancy. And that means P of A and does not pass B complement. Otherwise, P of A complement intersection B. But all of them are independent. Then P of A into P of B complement plus P of A complement into P of B. See, P of A value 0.5 and B complement value is 0.4 plus A complement value is 0.5. B complement value is B value is 0.6. Now simplifying this, then we will get 0.5. Hence, right answer is C. Probability of getting 52 Sundays in a leap year. See, leap year contains 366 days. Out of 366, 52 weeks plus 2 days. The sample space is equals to Sunday, Monday, Monday, Tuesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Thursday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Therefore, n of s is equals to 7. We are getting only 52. What is that? Sundays. Means all these are remaining 2 days is not a Sunday, then we will get 52 Sundays. Therefore, n of E, how many of them are satisfying our required condition means 5 things. Therefore, probability of E is equals to 5 by 7. Hence, right answer is C. Next, 42. If an unbiased coin is tossed 3 times, find the probability of getting at least 2 heads. See, n of s is equals to 2 cube, that is equals to 8. E be an event of at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means 2 heads or more than 2 heads. Means all these are the favorable cases. Yes or no? Therefore, n of E is equals to 4. Probability of E is equals to 4 by 8, which is equals to 1 by 2. Hence, right answer is Delhi. Next, a box contains 5 red, 3 white balls. 2 balls are drawn simultaneously. Therefore, n of s is equals to 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. Hence, 8C2. Okay, which is equals to 28. 2 balls are drawn randomly. From that box, find the probability of 2 balls are same color. 2 balls are same color means 2 balls are white or 2 balls are red. 2 balls are red means 5C2. Okay, otherwise 2 balls are white means 3C2. 10 plus 3, which is equal to 13. Therefore, probability of A is equal to 13 by 28. Hence, right answer is A. P of A is equals to 2 by 3, P of B equals to 1 by 2, then P of B given A is, and also given B given A is equals 4 by 9. What is P of A given B? By using this information, first I am trying to find out the intersection part. P of B given A means P of B intersection A by P of A. That is 4 by 9 into P of A value is 2 by 3 is equals to P of A intersection B. Okay, that is 8 by 27, which is equals to P of A intersection B. Now we want to find out A given B. What is A given B formula? P of A intersection B by P of B. That is 8 by 27 by 1 by 2. Okay, this is equals to 16 by 27. Hence, right answer is C. Next, see the problem number 45. Okay, an unbiased coin is tossed thrice. Okay, if the first toss gets head, what is the probability of getting only one more head is? ఏం చెప్తున్నాడంటే, okay, unbiased coin is tossed 3 times, but they given that first toss is head, then the sample space is, first toss is head means HHH, HHT, HTT, HTH. These are the all possible outcomes. Okay, see, Now E be an event of, what is the probability that only one more head, what is the one more head case is, like only two of them are satisfying the required condition, those are HHT and HTH. Therefore, the probability of E is equals to 2 by 4, which is equals to 1 by 2. Hence, right answer is B. Okay. Next, 46. Given sigma P naught Q naught value is 196, P naught Q1 is 324, P1 Q naught is 256, P1 Q1 is 441. Okay, they are asking to find out the Fisher's index formula. See, you know that Fisher's formula is equals to under root of sigma P1 Q0 by sigma P0 Q0 into sigma P1 Q1 by sigma P0 Q1 into 100. Substituting this information, sigma P1 Q0 256 by sigma P0 Q0 196 into sigma P1 Q1 441 by P0 Q1 324 into 100. Okay, while simplifying this, then we will get 133.3, hence right answer is D. Next, 47. Delay in the production of the factory due to sudden breakdown of the machine. Sudden breakdown means that is not controlled by the human hand. Okay, then that is called irregular variation. Next, 48. See, the following information is given. Find 3-year moving average against 2003. See, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. Corresponding the sales are 5, 4.5, 6, 5.5, 5. Now we want to find out 3-year moving average. See, adding these three, ante that is 5 plus 4.5 plus 6 by 3. Next, adding these three, 4.5 plus 6 plus 5.5 by 3, but those are not required. Adding these three, 6 plus 5.5 plus 5 by 3. See, against 2023. Now adding these two, and that is 6 plus 5.5 plus 5 divided by 3, which is equals to 5.5. Against 2023 is 5.5. Hence right answer is Bombay. Next, net monthly income of an employee was 10,000 rupees per month in 2010. The consumer price index number was 80. See, in 2010 index number is 80. At that time he receiving the salary is 10,000. Okay, it rises to 240 in 2023. Calculate the additional DA. Let us assume that X amount, do the cross multiplication. Therefore 80X is equal to 10,000 into 240. Therefore X is equals to 30,000. Already he receiving 10,000. Additional DA paid to the employee is 30,000 minus 10,000, which is equals to 20,000. Therefore right answer is C. Next, the price of the commodity in the year 2010 and 2020 was 40 and 50 respectively. Find the price relative, taking 2010 as a base year. Okay, base year price always should be write down in the denominator, that is 40. Current year 50, P1 by P0 into 100, which is equals to 125. Then our right answer is A. Okay, this is the key and with explanation for the CMA Foundation with respect to the paper Business Mathematics and Statistics. Okay, రైట్, అందరూ ఒకసారి చెక్ చేసుకొని మీ మార్క్స్ ఎలా వచ్చినాయి అంటే అనాలిసిస్ చేసుకోండి. యాక్చువల్గా ఇంత ముందులున్న పేపర్స్తో కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఈ పేపర్ కొంచెం మ్యాథ్స్ పార్ట్ కొంచెం టఫ్ ఉంది. కానీ మ్యాథ్స్ పార్ట్ టఫ్ ఉన్నా అందులో మనకు వచ్చే 20 క్వశ్చన్స్ అంటే 40 మార్క్స్, 60 మార్క్స్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ ఉంది. స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ చాలా ఈజీగా ఇచ్చేసాడండి. మొదటి నుంచి మనం అదే చెప్తున్నాం కదా, ఎక్కువ స్టాటిస్టిక్సే చదవండి. ఓకే, ప్లస్ చాలామంది ఏంటంటే బుక్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్స్ చూసుకొని వెళ్ళిపోదాం, అవి ఒకటి చేస్తే సరిపోతాయి అనుకుంటారు. కానీ ఈసారి బుక్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ కొంచెం తక్కువే ఇచ్చాడు అట్లా. రైట్, కొంచెం ప్రిపరేషన్ స్ట్రాంగ్ చేసుకోండి. బై, సీ.